First of all, welcome. Welcome to San Luis Rey School. Welcome to this new concept in doing classes. Welcome to this new adventure about doing classes. Well, as you know, my name is Edgardo Arenas and I am the teacher in charge of the English class. In this tutorial, you are gonna make a review about my neighborhood class, a topic that we have seen this week. You are gonna take screenshots, you are gonna capture the screens, exercise after exercise, and you are going to send me them to my email, the one that is here. You have until this Sunday at 10 p.m. to send me the information to my email. What you have to do is the next. You have to do activities like this. This is a church, no, it's a school, no, it's a hotel, yeah. And you correct and you continue with the next. When you finish the 14th ones, like this, that is completed, you have to take a screenshot or capture the screen. For that, you have these buttons on your laptop or computer that you have to press. When you find this button, you press it like this. You press it and you open a Paint document and you stick it there. And you have to write the name of the activity, places in a city 1. You save with that name, with your name. For example, my name is Pepito Flores, and the activity is places in a city 1. You write places in a city 1, and you save it in the format JPG. And you save it on escritorio, and then you close it, and then you continue with the next, yes, and you continue with this and you complete until number 14. And when you have number 14, you have a score like the one before, and you take another screenshot, you capture with Paint, you press the button imprint, and you save it in Paint with your name, Pepito Flores, places in a city number 3, and you continue. The next is about this. You have to look for the letters and you have to complete the words, and when you finish, clicking done, and you have the correct information that I want. Here similar, you have to complete until number 20. You have to complete here the names of this picture, places in the city, place in a town, art gallery is the first, and so on. Here you have to use there is or there are. 1, there is. 2, there are. And when you finish, you take another screenshot and you send me that to my email. Here you have there are 3 is there are, and a bus is there is. So you continue with this and you send me the screenshot for this. Similar, a is and 2 is are, and in the end you check here and you send me the information. This is 5 and this is plural, and this is a, and this is a question, and the question is because it's a. Here you have questions and answers. Which is the correct answer for each question? You have here the one that you have to use. Here is a repass about places. You click start and you have a picture and you have to say that this is the airport, yes, and this is the fire station, and you continue until you finish and you take a screenshot. After that, you have this activity. To complete this activity, you have to download the story. You click here and you download the story. We have to listen to the story. Okay, so we're gonna click here to listen to the story.
So there isn't any running water in our houses.
So there isn't any running water in our houses. And the first question is there any running water? So there isn't any water. Any running water is no. And you continue listening to the audio, and you continue answering the next questions. And the final activity is this book. Yeah, you have here to complete. It's very nice. You click here on this corner to pass. You have to listen to the information. Yes.
Abacus.
Abacus.
A fishmonger's.
A fishmonger's. So you listen to and you repeat. You continue here with more information.
A supermarket.
And here you have to drag, arrastrar, and drop, soltar. When you finish this, you check here and you have your score. On the next pages is the same. You drag and drop, and you drag and drop. Next, you have to do this. You have to listen to
A hospital.
a hospital, and you drag and drop, arrastra y suelta. Here you have to write. What is this? It's bank. And you complete all of them and you click on check. Here is the same. And here's information about grammar. What is the correct for there is, what is the correct for there are, and these two. And you only repeat this, and that's all. Here you have a map. Look at it, says here the police station is next to the church. The police station is next to the church. This is the correct. And here you listen to.
There is a fire station opposite the swimming pool.
There is a fire station opposite the swimming pool. So there's a, and you continue listening and dragging, arrastrando, and dropping, soltando the correct pictures. And in the end, you have to write here in my neighborhood. In my neighborhood, there are many coffee shops, but there aren't many. But there are many banks, for example. Yes, and you continue writing the places, the buildings that you have in your neighborhood, and the ones that you don't have, using there is or there are in affirmative or negative. And I want that you send me this. You capture this screen and you send me to my email. You go to Google, you click Gmail or your account, and you send me to my email. Well, I think that's all. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for your attention. Thank you to be there. And the idea is that you can practice, you can improve your classes that you're doing with me during the week. And well, that's all with me. It's gonna be until another chance. Thanks for all. Bye bye. And don't forget to send me information for this Sunday at 10 until 10 p.m. Thank you a lot.